In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Webull Charts. We'll start from a clean slate and get your main price chart looking exactly the way you want, so you can read the market quickly and confidently. First, open Webull Desktop. Once the platform loads, look toward the top of the screen for the universal search bar. Type in the ticker symbol for the stock, ETF, or crypto you want to view and open it from the results. This tells Webull which instrument you're focused on and prepares the workspace around that symbol. Next, bring up your chart. Click the Chart widget. If you don't see a chart on your layout yet, add it from the Widgets menu so it appears in your workspace. When it loads, that's your main price chart, the heart of your analysis. The horizontal axis shows time, and the vertical axis shows price, so you can immediately see how the asset has moved across sessions. Now let's customize the display so it fits your style. Look for the chart settings icon near the chart. This is usually a gear or a small square. Click it to open the settings panel. The first option to consider is chart type. Candlesticks are popular because they show open, high, low, and close at a glance, making momentum and reversals easier to spot. If you prefer something simpler, switch to a line chart to focus just on closing prices. Choose what helps you interpret movement most clearly. Next, choose a time interval. If you want to monitor short-term moves, select 1-minute or 5-minute intervals for more granular detail. For a wider perspective, switch to daily or higher intervals to see the bigger trend and major support and resistance areas. It's normal to move between intervals depending on whether you're analyzing the long-term picture or timing a short-term entry. Finally, fine-tune display options. Turn on extended hours if you want pre-market and after-hours activity to appear on the chart, which can reveal gaps or early reactions to news. Adjust the Y-axis scale to the view that makes price movement most readable for you, and set your candle style so colors and outlines are easy to distinguish at a glance. Clear visuals reduce confusion and help you act faster. That's it. Open Webull Desktop, pick a ticker, launch the chart widget, and use the settings to set your chart type, time interval, and display options. With these essentials dialed in, your chart becomes a reliable, readable window into the market.